Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. Long time no see. I made this community tab some time ago that I have this tire season. So if you don't know, then my company repairs cars, and when it's tire season I change only tires because it's good and fast money. But now it's starting to get over because we have a snowy winter already. And yeah, so one bad thing with this snow is that I don't have this winter beater this year. But there is one reason, because if I had winter beater, I think I'm not in the workshop and I'm not working with my B4. So that's the reason. Okay, 1 month away from YouTube. What we start doing today. Today we take Audi out, and I did borrow from my friend sandblasting machine, and we start sandblasting wheel arches and some that kind of stuff. So let's go inside, turn the car around and take it out and start sandblasting. It's good weather for sandblasting, I think. We have some -4 degrees. And there is little snow, but I think that's not the problem. Audi is still on the same place. What I did here, I did remove all the wiring, steering stuff, brake stuff, and one guy did comment that do I think this sound mat to install. I said no, but now I'm thinking that to this panel side from engine bay I will add some, so it's a little bit more quiet, I think. But yeah, so here we need to add that mat, but first we need to sandblast the engine bay and wheel arches and some that kind of stuff. So yeah, looks quite interesting. Here is my son's Audi and this quattro or something. Yeah, he likes to play with this Audi. So engine bay, I did remove a steering rack, brake booster. What I want to sandblast is this, and here some, and also wheel arches then. Yeah, you see I did weld this strut bar, and we have some corrosion here. The other side is a little bit more bad. Okay, let's start working again. but I was thinking to sandblast. All is done. Came out really nice. It's good to know that my air compressor can handle with sandblaster. Yeah, that's good to know. In the future maybe I need more. I also protected the sandblasted metal to corrosion. I used this Würz anti-corrosion. Some people who makes all the time car bodywork said that it's good thing, so let's hope it is. And it's interesting. It's white when you use it, and it dries to black, and really interesting. So it needs to dry at least 48 hours, and then can primer. But I need to cut some bolts here and weld a little bit, but okay, I will show you this. So all the duck welds, all is black. Here was some problem with battery fluid. It also was corrosion, so it's now nice. All black. Here was not so much corrosion, so here is only some places black, but the other side was really bad. And next weekend I will make the rear wheel arches, then I can add primer, paint and this stone protection, and the wheel arches will be ready. So what else? So let's see back of the car. So we have some nice things here. What we have here. Here is EcoMaster Black. So it will be my standalone ECU. I have a wiring harness to make custom wiring. I had this plug and play Audi P4, P3 plug and play harness for 3.2, 2.8 V6 engine. If somebody wants, it's for sale. I have a flex fuel sensor. I have a Bluetooth CAN module, and I have a CAN keypad to have some interesting features. I think it will be interesting. Also make videos how I make custom engine wiring. It will be interesting. Like you saw, a lot of interesting stuff is coming. So stay on channel. There is coming a lot of content. Winter is also here, so nothing to do outside when it's dark. So we stay in the workshop, build this beast. I hope to get this ready and drivable in April, I think, yeah, in April 2022. But let's see. And then there is some work need to do to get this thing ready. But yeah, so long story short, stay on channel, comment what you think, put that like button, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!